Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about Lesson 6, finding missing numbers in multiplication and division problems. We can look at finding the missing number in multiplication and division just like we did with addition and subtraction by looking at our fact families. Fact families with multiplication and division work exactly the same way. You take three numbers and you rearrange them. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we have the same numbers here, just multiplied in different ways, and then divided. Remember that the product of your multiplication problem becomes the divisor in your, or the dividend in your division problem. So let's look at example number 1. Example 1 is a times 6 equals 72. So if we rewrite this in our fact family, a times 6 equals 72. 6 times a equals 72. 72 divided by a equals 6, and 72 divided by 6 equals a. So again, we're going to look for the problem that has the variable in the answer, and we're going to use this one today. But since I can't do subtraction sideways, I'm going to rewrite it. 72 divided by 6. 6 goes into 7 once. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down. And do it again. 6 goes into 12 twice. 2 times 6 is 12. And so that we know that our quotient, 12, equals a. And this is the final answer to example number 1. Make sure you are writing all of this down, please. I will be checking. Okay, let's go into example 2. Okay, find the value of W. 6W equals 24. Whenever we see a number directly next to a variable, that means to multiply. 6W is the same as 6 times W. We just take out the times because it can look like an X, and then we think that there are two variables we're multiplying by. So if we rewrite this, 6 times W equals 84. W times 6 equals 84. 84 divided by 6 equals W, and 84 divided by W equals 6. Okay, well we know we're going to be looking at this one right here, so we can move the variable out of the way. 6 goes into 8 once. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract. Bring down the 4. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. We subtract. And 14 equals W, or W equals 14. Okay? All right, let's go into example 3. Find the value of K. K over 6 equals 15. Okay, so another way, K over 6, this line right here, while it looks like a fraction line, is also another way to say divided by. So we can rewrite this problem saying K divided by 6 equals 15. Or K divided by 15 equals 6. However, neither one of these can I solve. I'm looking for the answer. So, since this is my dividend, my divisor and my quotient, we multiply the divisor and the quotient. So I could rewrite this as 6 times, or 15 times 6, or 6 times 15. Either one works. So we're going to multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So K equals 90. That is actually a K. Okay, so because K is my dividend, I have to multiply the divisor and the quotient in order to reach my answer. All right, let's go on to example 4. Okay, example 4, find the value of m. 56 divided by m equals 7. So we have 56 divided by m equals 7. Can turn that around. 56, oops. (56) divided by 7 equals m. This problem I can actually solve. So 7 doesn't go into 5, but it does go into 56 8 times. 7 times 8 is 56. And my answer is finished. Now, because I was just able to switch m and 7 as my divisor and my quotient, I don't need to go on and write the multiplication, but if that helps you, then you can write the multiplication side of this. 7 times 8 equals 56, and 8 times 7 equals 56. It's also a good way to double check that your work is correct. Okay, that's it. Off to your lesson practice, and we will talk about this soon.